Hey everybody, Mike Wrench Mike here. It is raining. It is 2 o'clock in the morning, and I am beginning a new video just for you. I'm headed down to Oklahoma City to see my friend at AAR, also known as Auto Auction Rebuilds. Randy and I are headed to New York to pick up a 50-year-old car and then drive it halfway across the country in a winter storm. Yep, we're calling this Mike and Randy, or Randy and Mike's Not So Excellent Adventure. Mike. Yay!
I'm in the car.
Well, we're into the mission about 10 minutes, and I'm already regretting a couple of decisions. Well, one big decision. I'm driving the ML, and there go the lights. I'm driving the ML, excuse me, which I haven't really driven on the highway, and I have not driven during a rain storm. So we have a nice little whiny wheel bearing. It's in the back left wheel. The car shakes at about 70, and the windshield wipers, I think, are original to the car. These things are terrible. I can barely see. I'm going to be dizzy by the time I get there. Hopefully we get there. So next stop is Randy's house. Then after that, we're headed to the airport, and then after that, New York. So guess what? We made it.
Did we?
Well, we're halfway there.
We're more than halfway there.
Okay. So I forgot to film when I arrived at Randy's house, and I forgot to film when we were in the airplane because somebody was sleeping.
Oh.
He was sleeping like a baby.
Not me. I was awake the whole time.
You haven't slept at all.
No.
Okay. So the purpose of this trip right here is we are actually on a mission.
Yeah.
We're going to get, what's the car?
A 1973 Buick Regal.
And the car is how old?
49. It's 50.
50.
It's 50 years old.
It's a 50-year-old car. There's a huge winter storm coming.
That should be here any minute.
And we are driving through the storm from where to where?
From Albany, New York to Oklahoma City after it has been parked and left sitting for 13 years at least.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
This isn't the smartest thing we've ever done.
This is the dumbest thing I have, and that's saying something because, well, I'm me, but yeah, this isn't very bright.
Okay. So that's the purpose of the trip. We're going to drive this old car back. Randy's going to put the videos on his YouTube channel, and I'm just going to suck all the subscribers I can right off of it.
There you go.
There we go. But tell everybody where we are right now, because this is really cool. This is a surprise for me.
This is the Admirals Club with American Airlines. And it's a nice spot where you can get away from everybody else and just kind of relax, have your own little spot and space, and you got free beverages and food, and you got booze over there if you need to get your liquor home.
There you go. You get away from all the riffraff.
Yeah.
Usually we're the riffraff.
Yeah.
But he upgraded us, which is really nice. Yeah. Okay. So we're going to enjoy the amenities here, and we'll pick it up in Albany.
Yeah. In like 5 hours.
In 5 hours. All right. We have landed. We are in Albany, and we've learned something very important about Albany.
Yeah.
Yeah.
They read temperature differently.
40 degrees in Tulsa does not feel like 40 degrees.
It feels like -10. Yeah, something's very wrong with this.
We looked at each other. We said, "This is getting real." When we saw the snow on the ground. So the plans are.
Oh, I don't know.
You don't know.
We got somebody picking us up, and from there I have no idea. Okay. Parts maybe, or we go see the car and then parts.
We should go see the car. We should.
Yeah.
I think, and then we know what parts we need.
That's true.
And then we know if it's even worth getting parts.
It better be.
See.
We just flew halfway across the country for it.
Okay. Stay tuned. We're going to show you the car in just a sec. All right, so we've arrived. This is the car. This is the crazy man that has me in the car driving all the way across Oklahoma. No, we have arrived. This is the car. This is the man responsible for the car, Lunar Outlaw. I liked and subscribed. You need to like and subscribe as well. And he says we're going to make it, right?
Oh, yeah. It's Buick.
We're going to be fine?
It's Buick power, baby.
Okay, he's done so much work for this car. And Randy, are you sold? Are you convinced? You're feeling good? This is the part that scares me right here. It's just all this.
No.
All this.
You know what?
But, yeah.
You know what you should do, Mike? You should do the honors and start it for the first time.
This is your car. You can't. I can't even do that. Nope, that's your car.
You don't know how to start it? It's this key.
I drove, my first car was in 1973.
Okay, there's this thing. You stick this in and
Yeah.
turn it.
Yeah.
Go ahead, man.
Can I really?
Yeah, go for it.
It doesn't have a button. There's no button.
There's no button to, oh,
Yeah,
okay.
there's no digital
Okay.
things. No digitals.
Oh my goodness. All right, here we go.
We're going to find out how far Alexa. If not, Mike is standing.
Bad juju.
Yeah, bad juju. Okay, that does make a sound. Are you ready? I'm going to watch your face as we do this. Here we go.
Pump the gas.
Oh, okay.
Oh, man.
Okay. She sounds good.
It's written like, yes. And here I thought you fixed the whole thing. And I thought the whole
And the,
Look at it. Fire running. No, it doesn't come air cleaner.
that steering. Easy. Yeah. And it does have an FM radio, so we're good.
Huh?
We have an FM radio.
I can't hear nothing.
Does it work? I don't remember how you turn it on. AM, FM. There you go, right there. Look. AM, FM. All right, folks. This is going to be our home for the next couple of days, which is pretty crazy. But Randy and I are going to drive this car right here, 1,500 miles back to Oklahoma. This is where I'm going to be spending most of my time. Okay. I'll put the key up on top here. So that's it. That's the car. That's the man responsible. That's the crazy A fool that has me driving back to Oklahoma with him in the car. Will we make it?
No.
I don't know. But this is the end of this video. So this is the end of my video on the car. You're going to do the video of us driving down there, right?
Well, you got to get some more. This is a long. You're talking
It's a-
1,500 miles.
we can-
There's
we can,
plenty
like,
of content.
Go live or do something
Yeah, we
like
can do
that.
that.
But yeah.
We can do that.
Yeah, okay. So, say a prayer. Yeah, hopefully give us one of those. All right, everybody. So nice to meet this gentleman right here. Please follow
pleasure,
and
guys.
like Lunar Outlaw. All right. So we've learned something.
These suck. What is this for a seatbelt, man?
Look how it attaches. It's crazy.
It's you. I don't. Yeah, Mike knows. I don't get it.
Yeah. You store it right up here, the part that goes across your chest. This is great. Okay. And we're off.
Oh, heat.
There is heat. Oh, thank goodness.
And then the generator light came on.
Well,
It's
Rev
idle
up a
too
little
high too.
you don't have your lights on either, do you? But you just
Yeah.
put them on? Oh, okay.